Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chantal. So this is basically a whistle-stop tour of where things are up to in this latest Bali villa project. I was hoping to be done by now, but I'm not quite there. But this week it's just all about those final details, those little things that are gonna elevate the space and bring them to a next level. And if you haven't done already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press that notification bell for new video releases. So I'm looking for finishing touches, planters, things for shelves, things that are going to make it feel cozy and lived in and warm and add a sense of character. What is this from?
It's from Java.
Java.
Yeah.
They use it for tea?
Yes, before for tea.
We're going for a take on the Moroccan aesthetic, so I thought it would be really cool to add in some lanterns. This store has an amazing selection of lanterns, so I pick up a few pieces. I'm thinking of putting some by the bedside tables, maybe on a shelf and outside. And then this is great for shelf decor. It has all sorts of beautiful pieces that add just, a bit of colour and a bit of character. I still have a couple of projects that I needed to finish even at this stage. So one of them was to paint this desk. I really like this desk, it's the perfect size, but I just didn't like that whitewash look. So Mohammed is painting it for me. He's painted it black and then going over it with white paint, so you're gonna see the whites in all of the grooves. And also this area under the stairs, which is white. The plants do disguise it, but you can still see it, and I just think it's gonna look a lot better in black. Another little mini project we did was to make a cover or a table to cover this unsightly pool access. I don't know why they made it so big and so protruding, but it really offended me, and I just wanted to create something that disguised it, but also enabled the guys to be able to access the under pool, whatever it is, pump, whenever they needed to. So this is going to be a table. I'm going to have some cushions on the floor. It's going to be a place that you can sit down, and it's going to look a whole lot better. So I thought I was done with painting, but I kept looking at this accent wall in the bathroom thinking I wasn't completely happy with it. I like the colour, but it's too one-dimensional. So I decided to spruce it up by adding some metallic gold paint and mixing that with the colour of the wall. I just really want to add a bit of depth and some layers over the top of it. It's just not doing it for me, basically, and I don't want to change the colour completely, but I really want to mute it down and add a bit more of a sophisticated look, which aligns to the rest of the project. And this is what it looks like. So you can still see that teal colour coming through, but the metallic gold kind of gives it a bit more of sophistication. There's metallics in the light, so it's a really good alignment there, and it looks really nice with that black mirror against it too. So I'm much more happy with that now, and we can move on. So then the next stages are just putting things together, putting up curtains, dressing up the shelves, and just really paying attention to those finer details. Always a great day when the plants arrive because they always help to bring a space together. Using plants in designing for profit can really enhance the overall appeal and value of the space. They add colour, texture and visual interest to both indoor and outdoor spaces. And it's something that I teach on my Designing for Profit course. The course is all about how to use the power of interior design to enhance that guest experience and also to improve your profits if you're in the short-term rental industry or if you're in hospitality through clever and savvy ways, and using plants is definitely one way to do that. And then I start styling the place with plants. Corners, the bathrooms, not overkill, but just spaces where they're gonna have some impact. Here's a sneak peek into where I've placed the plants and a little bit into the spaces as well, but I'm gonna give you all the deets in the next video. We are so tired. It's been a busy few weeks, but we are at the end. Don't forget to set that notification bell because you don't want to miss out on the full reveal. It's going to be amazing. Let me know what you think of the work so far, and until next time, I'll catch you soon.